Okay, this part's done. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I spent exactly 8 hours. Now, of course, on the end here, there's still a little of a bump. So there's a metal transition strip that I can get to overlay, and it's a specific piece of aluminum strip. It'll come up over here, drift down, and then it has a beveled edge. It'll come down here, make that upward slope a lot smoother. I had to go to a couple places to find it, but I finally found it. It's kind of a threshold strip, but there you go. Now, of course, I still got to deal with the handrail. I got to change that whole thing up and build handrails. I already got my pickets on the ground there, but there's the outcome. And it's cross-braced, braced on the bottom in multiple places to where it doesn't move. There we go. And just by walking on it, you can tell it's very solid. No creaks, no issues, solid all the way up. Right up to the door. Nice, that's a nice flush edge too. So the upward view of it. And this project tomorrow will be done. And I've got two little small ramps I got to build in the back just for the porch so they can go out to the porch from the back door. So cool, this works. It was a beautiful day today too. You can tell they just moved in junk everywhere. This is all the leftover stuff, but yeah, real happy with the results here. Okay. Beautiful day. So there you go. What do you guys think? All right, let me get out of here, get some dinner, grab a few beers. Talk to you later. Leave those comments.